Hello, today I'll show you how to change the map graphical settings in Crusader Kings III. To change those settings, simply, go into settings. Do so by pressing the escape button and go into settings from the main menu whilst you are in the game, or simply tapping this button whilst in main menu. Once in the settings, make sure you're in the graphics section. Then scroll down and look for the map subsection. Right here you can change the map cursor highlight, which changes the intensity of the cursor highlights on the map. It is by default set to the 50%, you can turn it off or crank it up to the 100%. You can enable or disable winter particle effects or the paper map lighting. I'll, for the sake of performance, turn those off. And press OK. And that's it. You now know everything about changing the graphical settings of your map in Crusader Kings III. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.